Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching let's take it again. Hey guys, welcome back to Advice with Kay Trice. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply those false lashes and get that lash look for a fraction of the cost. So as you can see, I have just stepped out fresh out of the shower. So first, let me go ahead and put on some concealer so I can cover up these dark circles. Okay, so that's a little bit better. So let's go right into it. I will show you guys the brand that I use. This is the Kiss Lash brand. Let's see if you can see it here. And this pair is the Flirty lashes. They're not too long, not too short, and not too bold. They're just perfect enough, I find, to give that lash look. If you don't like this pair, there are so many other pairs that you can try. These ones are just my favorite ones. The good thing about it is you can reuse them. To reuse your lashes, you just peel off that glue and reapply when you're ready to use them again. So when I do first take them out of the package, like a fresh pair out, I will first size it to my eye. You can tell which side is the right side and which side is the left side by looking at the lash. So if you take a look here, the smaller end of the lash, that's going to be where it goes in the corner of your eye, and the longer part of the lash is where it will be put on the outer end. So I can already tell here that this is for my right eye. I'll use whatever residue is left from that glue on the package to place it on my eye as I'm sizing it. So I'll just place it right here. And these ones are already shaped to my eye, but you do want to shape it first before you put them on, because you don't want a lash that's all the way out here. I do find when I get these, they are a little bit long for my lashes, so I just trim them up a little bit. Before I put on my lashes, I always like to put on a liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that first. As you can see, I am no professional makeup artist. I do love to do wings though. This one is not exactly matching this, so I might redo those, but for the purpose of this video today, I'm gonna go ahead and move forward. So, lashes time. You can use any type of glue that you would like for the lashes. I use the duo glue that you see here, and you wanna make sure that it dries on clear. So I have my two lashes. Here is my right side, here is my left side. I normally like to start with my right first, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that. Now, if you are reusing these, all you simply have to do is just peel off that glue. For me, I always just do a thin line. Take your time because you don't want to get it all over the place. You really don't need too much. See, that's a little bit much even, so I'm going to try to take a little bit off. We want to make sure that that glue gets nice and tacky. As the glue is drying, I like to personally get a head start on my eyebrows. This one that I have is the Revlon Color Stay. So I can see here that the glue is drying, so I'm going to go ahead and apply one of my sides first. Just take the lash here, and I'm going to keep my eyes open as I'm applying the lashes, and I'm going to get it as close to my lash line as possible. Not right on my lashes, but as close to the lash line as I can. I took the two corners and I applied those down first, and then together with my natural lashes, I just like to clamp them together with my fingers while pressing down, and just go steadily across while holding it down a little bit longer. So again, I've applied it close to my lash line, especially taking a close look at the corner where to see I want exactly that lash to start. And I'm just clamping down as I do so to make sure that that glue is in fact getting onto my eye. While this glue finishes drying on my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyebrows. I have 2 more steps to make sure that these lashes are blending correctly. The first that I do like to do is, again, I like to take my liquid eyeliner and reapply the eyeliner on top of the lash strip. The final step that I like to do here to make sure that my lashes have blended perfectly with my natural lash is I do like to take my mascara and blend it with the false lashes. So over here I have the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is one of my favorites to use, but you can use any mascara that you prefer. And that completes my lash look. As you can see, the glue has dried, the mascara has been applied, and I am all good to go on this look. If you don't get it the first time, try again. It's gonna take practice until you're advanced and able to do it easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.